Hey there! So here's the problem we're tackling today. Lately, I've been noticing that my screensaver isn't kicking in after the designated 2-minute interval. Quite the dilemma, right? I've got a bunch of third-party apps running on my MacBook Pro, and I suspect one of them might be causing the issue. Now let's delve into the solution for this screensaver conundrum. The key here lies in using a nifty command in terminal. By running pmset g assertions grep user is active, we can pinpoint the exact item causing the screensaver delay. This command focuses on the user is active assertions, giving us valuable insight into what's happening behind the scenes. Building upon the previous step, we take things a step further with pmset g assertionslog. This command allows us to monitor the system logs as we wait out the 2-minute interval. By closely observing the log, we can track any discrepancies or anomalies that might be hindering the screensaver activation. In conclusion, we've cracked the code on why your screensaver isn't engaging as it should. By following these steps and tweaking your sleep settings, you'll hopefully bid farewell to this screensaver hiccup. Remember, a well-rested screensaver is a happy screensaver. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy screen saving!